Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to post photos on Twitter. Posting photos allows you to share moments and engage more with your followers. So, let's get started on how to post photos on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your device. Swipe right from the home screen to open up more options. Next, tap on the profile option. Now, look for the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This will bring up the options for creating a new post. Tap on the image option. Select the image that you want to post. Once you have selected the image, tap on the add option located at the top right corner of your screen. You can now add caption or tag people if you want. Finally, tap on the post option from the top right corner of your screen and post a photo on Twitter. And this is how you can post photos on Twitter. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.